Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Patrol YouTube channel. How are you? Um, so malapit na tayong lumaya, 2 weeks na lang. And I hope you are all okay back in your homes kung nasaan man kayo. And you know, we still continue to create videos here at Tech Patrol kahit na naka-ECQ tayo. Kasi naman yung mga brands hindi naman sila huminto totally sa kanilang activities, lalo na yung mga launches kasi nakakalendar na yan. So, in this particular episode, I'm going to show you two phones. This is the Reno 3 series. That's coming right up. So what's up guys? So we have here two units. These are the Reno 3 series, and this is the 3 and then this is the Reno Pro. I don't know what's the difference, but this one is, I'm sure this is an engineering unit. Walang box, but this one looks like a retail unit. No, naka-sealed siya, right? So this is what we got from OPPO. So sealed yan. So let's go. Let's unbox this. These are the global versions of this are all 5G, but of course the ones that we're getting here dito sa Pilipinas ay 4G. So let's inspect it. So for example, itong 3 Pro, the network is there you go, LTE lang. So 4G, no, walang 5G. The color of this one is midnight black, and we're getting the 8 gig and a 256 gig version of the Reno 3 Pro right in this box. Alright, so tabi muna natin ito, and let's unbox the Reno 3 Pro, and then we'll compare what's the difference between these two phones later on. Okay, so ang ganda ng box in fairness. There is the Reno 3 Pro. We have a huge power brick right here, or wall charger. Alright, so it's green, it's Superbook. No, it's VOOC. Kasi yung Superbook is orange. This is VOOC. But this is a new version. We'll find out later. So, ito lang yung laman niya, guys. Ito yung laman ng retail box ng Reno 3 Pro. Alright. Sa kanan, merong accent na green. I hope you can see that. May accent na green yung power button. Sa kabila naman, alright, so the SIM eject, SIM tray, and yung power volume control. Let's check first kung ano yung tsura ng SIM tray. So it's still 3 card slots. So you take advantage of the 2 dual SIM features of the device. Dalawang nano SIM and 1 dedicated micro SD card. That's on top of the 256 huge internal storage. Good job. At the bottom, you have the earphone jack, a mic, USB Type-C, and the speaker grill. Sa taas, walang nakalagay. Microphone lang. Alright. Since we have the Reno 3, this is the Pro on the left, and midnight black. Let's open up the Reno 3. Okay. So there you go. So physically, the difference is that this one has punch-hole camera. Dalawa yung camera ng Pro at nasa kaliwa siya. This one is a water drop camera. As far as the layout of the volume control and the SIM card trays, parehas lang. But let's find out kung triple card slot din ito. Yes, confirm. Triple card slot din ng Reno 3. At the bottom, you have the same layout. You have the same. May accent din. Siyempre yung kulay nito magkaiba. This is bluish na may pagka-green something, no? Pareha sila may camera bump. There you go. Pero yung camera module nila magkaiba. Ito medyo mas malapad. I'll point it out because yung LED flash niya nakasabay dito sa module ng camera niya, the Pro. The Reno 3, yung LED flash nandito. Nasa labas ng module niya. That's why yung camera module niya medyo slim compared to this one, to the Pro. But both has 4 camera setups to start with. So if you're curious about the UI, ito na, I'll show it to you. The Reno 3 Pro has been set up already, and that's the UI. Color OS 7. There you go, that's Color OS 7. Parang ang linis na ng Color OS 7, no? There you go. Ganda, no? So, even the OS, Color OS 7 is well optimized. Kita nyo, teka lang, yung camera is right there and yung timestamp is right there, hindi siya tumatapat doon. That's really nice. It's really neat. There you go. So wala siyang, there's no, or yung favorite natin is yung up drawer, no? But let's find out. Hanapin natin dito sa ano yan, home screen. Yan. Ayan, may drawer mode. Alright, so let's proceed with the drawer mode immediately. Kahit ito, tignan natin. Kasi, mas maganda yung drawer mode because I'll show you. Yan. Kasi guys, yung drawer mode o your app, yung may app drawer, the apps are automatically organized. Diba? Yan o. Naka-arrange alphabetical, and your app prediction is right here. Over time it changes kung ano yung mga frequently used apps, nandyan siya sa top na yan. Yan, good job. And naka dark mode. May dark mode ba siya? Home screen, anyway, later na natin. Parang naka-dark mode siya, no? Nice. Good job. And ang niis, meron pa rin siya dito yung ano, tawag nito. I forgot this feature. Pero hindi ko naman to nagagamit. It's a nice to have app. Nice to have feature in the Color OS skin. What else? The bezel is very thin. Hindi siya super laki. It's not a super big. Even if it has a 6.4 inch display, size of the display 6.4 inch. Hindi siya super laki. In terms of the weight, halos parehas lang sila. And pag inilapag mo siya, ganyan, mas makapal yung camera bump. Mas makapal yung camera bump nito. So, obvious na parang mas makapal ito. In terms of weight naman, hindi mo siya mapapansin. Pero napakaliit lang ng diferensya. 175 grams, 170. Okay? So, pag hawak mo siya, hindi mo mapapansin. It's very negligible, so to speak. In terms of RAM naman, pareha sila may 8 gigs of RAM, but the Reno 3 gets only 128 gigs of internal storage. Ito, dalawa yung version, may 128 and may 256. So in this case, what we have here is the one that with 256 gigabytes. So kung tatanungin nyo kung alin ang preferred, alin ang pwedeng i-recommend ko na bilhin nyo na kagad yung may pinakamalaking storage. Lalo na kung price difference ay maliit lang naman. In terms of chipset naman guys, the one that's powering up these phones, alright, the Reno 3, by the way, parehas ito MediaTek. This is P90, alright, and the Reno 3 Pro is P95. So, hindi natin alam in terms of performance, ano yung, sa actual na paggamit, kung ano talaga yung, alin sa dalawa, ang mas mabagsik. So, this is the Reno 3. So, indoor lang tayo. And subukan natin yung camera niya. Camera. Oops. There you go. That's the UI of the camera. And let's go to the ultra wide. So there you go. Kita niyo yung ultra wide. We'll click it. There you go. Ultra wide, no? And then let's have the one-time zoom. Oops. 2 times zoom. 3 times. Linaw pa ba? Linaw pa. Alright, and alright, so that's the 48 megapixel. There you go. Now the video. Nice. Ganda ng ano. So that's the video guys. Sample. Nice. Parang ano din maganda yung stabilization niya. And then while you're recording, can you change the lens? Oh, nice. You can change the lens. Pwede ka one time zoom, 2 times, and then 5 times. Pero yung 5 times, ayan. Oh, mas medyo malinaw pa. Malinaw pa. But, parang hindi ko siya may advise unless naka-tripod ka. So, let's go back. Ayan. Nice. So, you can change lenses while you're recording. Good. So, let's try the front camera, 44 megapixel. And then, the video, may cropping na nangyayari. Alright, so let's record a video. So, this is the sample video using the OPPO Reno 3 front camera. And I think I like the stabilization as well of the front camera. Right, so guys, dito naman yung OPPO Reno 3 Pro. Let's try the camera. Indoor lang tayo lahat. Oops, there you go. Okay. So, let's try. That's my wife right there. The ultra wide. Wow. Let's try it. Mabilis. So this is the 64 megapixel in action. Yan. Tapos tignan natin. So at the 64 megapixel, let's zoom it in. Kung malinaw ba? Wow. It's so claro. Super wide. Picture. 1 time zoom. 2 time zoom. 5 times. Yon. Alright. And then let's take the front camera. Alright. Video naman. Parang parehas din, no? So, that's it. Pag video ka, nagkakaroon ng cropping. Let's try the video. So, hi guys. This is the video sample naman of the front camera of the Reno 3 Pro. There you go. Guys, let's compare it side by side. Hirap. Oops. Okay. Kung makikita nyo, sa naked eyes ko, nakikita ko yung Pro as a very saturated image. No? Very saturated yung image niya. Dilaw na dilaw yung t-shirt ko dyan. Yung nasa taas naman, medyo wash out ng konti. So, yun ang pagkakaiba up front ng front camera nila. Let's switch to video mode. Mahirap talaga guys pag dalawa pinagsasabay nyo. Isa-isa lang. Yun. So, even in the video mode, mas sharp yung Pro. Mas sharp siya tignan. Medyo wash out yung sa taas. So, yung sa taas, parang kailangan mo pang minsan, yung sa post-processing, alam nyo yung color grading. Yan, parang pag in-applyan mo siya ng color grading, mag-i-improve pa yung image na yan. Pero yung sa baba, parang hindi mo na kailangan ng color grading kasi mas sharp siya, mas saturated siya. Okay, let's record a video sabay. So guys, I'm recording this using the Reno 3 series. Ano kaya yung pagkakaiba ng audio? Of course, I'm not sure if they improved the mic technology of these phones. Kasi syempre ngayon, usong-uso na yung mga nagpa-video vlogs. And kadalasan sa mga nagbi-video vlogs, gumagamit pa ng external mic. Hopefully, the manufacturers or the brands can take note of this technological need of video vloggers na sana hindi na one day hindi na kailangan gumawa ng or maglagay ng external mic, and the internal mic of the smartphones can already produce crisp and clear audio na hindi na kailangan ng external microphone. So that's the sample video of the Reno 3 series. So that's it. That's our quick unboxing and first impressions of the Reno 3 series. And I'd like to hear your thoughts also in the comment section. And if you're new here, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. This has been Tito Spidey, and see you in our next video. Bye.